Hi guys! Today we are unboxing this ASUS TUF Gaming B550M-Plus Wi-Fi. This is motherboard with the new AMD B550 chipset, which allows the Zen 3 CPUs to support PCI Express Gen 4 for at least the first graphics slot and one of the M.2 NVMe slots. So, what's so special about this? It is mini ITX. It has Realtek ALC S1200A audio and it has Turbo LAN, 2.5 gigabits per second LAN. So let's see what's inside. Some stuff. It's the antenna for the Wi-Fi, the motherboard itself. We're leaving it here for now. And some more stuff here. Backplate, of course. Some screws for the two M.2 drives. Two SATA cables. Some certificate of reliability. It is user guide with driver CD, DVD. What's this? I don't know. It is something with double-sided tape on it. And finally some stickers. So we're leaving this aside for now. And the motherboard. Here it is. It has two nice big radiators over the VRM portion. From what I can see, it is looking like a beefy VRM. Probably 10+2 phase. We have two fan headers for the CPU fans, additional only one fan header for the system fans, for DIMM slots. This one is the PCI Express Gen 4 slot directly from the CPU. This should be the Gen 4 NVMe slot. And there is another which is connected to the chipset. Again NVMe, this time however Gen 3. Both slots are by 4, so 4 lanes for each. It should be quite fast. Of course, Rgb connectors. It seems the one at least is addressable. USB 3 slot for the front panel. Another Rgb connector for SATA ports down here. Another by 16 slot, but this one is with 4 lanes PCIe Gen 3 to the chipset. And this is the audio. That's it, I guess. Bye!